Hey. Daddy!
You need a drill. Oh, okay, demo man. Oh, yeah. Hey, we need to keep some of those pieces aside for something.
You got a screwdriver?
A drill?
No, I got a drill.
Drill like this one, man.
We need to try to get the other piece out. We got one window out. Whoa, you tired?
And I worked out this morning. You gotta do it from out here, Jerry. Also, you got really from outside too.
Well, I just don't see how this one comes out. If this one,
How does that one come out? You probably gotta do that one from the outside. Like we did that from inside, you gotta do that from the outside.
well, hopefully it comes out just like this.
This is with all the frame. This is the frames. You cannot take this out.
No, we're taking the window slide.
Yeah,
part
but
out.
you know,
Does this one gonna slide out?
no.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, man.
No. Let me take it off.
Y'all need a house.
Y'all want it in your truck?
You can go in the bed of the truck. I'm going in the bed of the truck. Right there.
Yes, yeah. You still have to sweep that. Yeah, this come out, Jerry.
That's the frame, brother.
I wonder though, can they, that's what I said.
This don't separate? Like,
Goddamn.
see?
Got it! You guys are amazing. I don't know what I'd do without you.
We learned this from you.
Alright, you sit it there. I'll tell. Oh, you can put it in the truck actually. His.
We gotta take the tarp off.
Oh, come on.
Any daltónico?
Big window, glass replaced. Did a good job, not bad. Took forever though. Been here for what? 4 hours almost? 4.5 hours? Just the other piece. Did pretty good though. That's not bad. Double pane. Come on, man, you putting your finger. Oh no, that's the second window, right? Oh, okay. I'm just saying, 'cause once it's on the inside, it's over. They got everything. I think I want to try these blue glass blocks. I don't think I've ever seen the blue joints in the house. I might want to try that. Glass for days. That's the mirror. I'm happy.
Do we have beige colored tiles?
Why is he that strong? Why is he that strong and we can't get it?
No, you couldn't do it. I could have did it. I could have did it.
It's 25.
I could have did it. Please do not break that. That's $430.
Vamos a hacer como. No cabe. Acostado, de lado, curviada. No cabe, no cabe.
Good time.
¿Ya lo invitó el Chucho? ¿No vas a ir dos? Sí.
Damn, 25 minutes. Don't forget your tart. Put it back in your truck.
Where's that?
Right there. You don't see it?
No subiste, no, vamos a agarrar puro calcanazo a la dicha, que soy como que la vayan a tocar. Es lo que te digo. Máquina.
The kids.
Para acá.
Other way.
Y la ventana se la vamos a poner ya, ahorita como ya ahorita que tengo esa. Es decir, más.
No, después está.
Lo vamos a quitar,
Is that the right?
Ahorita se lo vamos a arreglar.
Is that the right way?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Se mete la ventana.
cool. Okay, cool. Mr. Shakaroni. See that crack? All that money for this window. Ugh. Oh, that mug loose. I'll take this down. Actually, take this junk off. Why didn't you take it off? It's on the inside. Well, actually, no. It's not. It's on the outside. No, it's
That big long crack?
inside. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
See, that'd be like,
Come from forcing it in.
well, this one, they wouldn't even have to get forced in.
Well, excuse me.
There's no worries.
It goes like this. But the screw hole, is right here. So that means it goes. Does it go like this? Oh, it's on. So what do you need drywall for?
He said the motor from over here. He said drywall. He needs to do something with this.
Oh, for the closet. Okay, yeah. You're gonna build a little. I already bought the wood. That's the mirror. That's the lights. Okay, door look good. Bam. Look real good. I like it. But yeah, that window, it's a lot brighter in here, I tell you that. What you wanna go do? You wanna go get some cabinets?
Huh?
You wanna go get some cabinets?
You need some cabinets for what?
For the kitchen. What you mean? I just need 3. I gotta get the base sink, to set the Lazy Susan up, Lazy Susan down.
You want to get it today?
It's up to you. Otherwise, I ain't got nothing else to do. Just have it. What you do with it?
What?
Talk to him. The little piece.
What piece?
The little plastic piece.
It's up here.
Oh. Tripping. Okay, so this how I go right here. The little lip.
Look at there.
The lip hangs.
You trying to hit me?
This how I go. Yeah, it is. That is how I go, nigga. I'm looking at it.
No, it's not. Well, how it goes, how we had it.
Bro.
It's not gonna hold nothing. It's not gonna hold nothing. They gotta hold this window. They gotta hold
You
this.
gotta hold the window then.
Let
Go
me
this
move
way.
for y'all hit me.
Let me hold on. Swing around. You might be right.
What you? I thought we already had that understanding.
I revisited it. Come on, man. You get some new pants. You want to talk to me jazzy.
What? I said kiss a new pants. What talk to me
Get you some new clean pants. Want to talk to me jazzy.
I said you on the video and I said you was wearing gray. Your colors are lightening up.
I'm sick of everybody tripping on my wardrobe like I got that shit in my car.
Oh, you do? Oh, you do?
Like I just be looking the same now. I'm just
saying.
sick.
I'm just saying you ain't in black.
Hey, I dressed up for church on Easter, right? They was shocked.
Oh, you ain't put that.
I'm going to church like this every single week.
Oh, you ain't put that on the ground.
Just go ahead.
Anyway, let me, what was I about to do before I was rudely interrupted? Oh, the cameras. Let me hook them back up.